Welcome to this technical guide on the Asus GX703H. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Asus GX703H isn't charging properly, you might find that it only charges intermittently or not at all. This issue can stem from a faulty charging port, a defective battery, or even problems with the power adapter. If left unresolved, it could lead to more significant issues, including complete battery failure, which would require more extensive repairs. To begin this repair, you will need a few tools and materials: a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a new charging port or battery depending on what you find, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Use the plastic opening tool to carefully pry open the back cover of your Asus GX703H. Start at one corner and gently work your way around to avoid damaging the clips. Once the back cover is off, locate the charging port. This is typically situated near the charging jack. Inspect it for any visible signs of damage or debris. If you see any dirt, carefully clean it using isopropyl alcohol. If the port appears damaged, you will need to unscrew it. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws holding the charging port in place. Be gentle and take note of where each screw belongs, as they may vary in size. Once the screws are removed, carefully disconnect any cables that may be attached to the charging port. Remember to do this slowly to avoid damaging adjacent components. If you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your new charging port and connect it in the same manner as the old one. Be sure to align it correctly and secure it with the screws you previously removed. After that, reconnect any cables you had to detach. Before closing up the device, double-check that everything is secure and in its proper place. Replace the back cover by pressing it down firmly until you hear the clip snap back into place. Finally, plug in your device and check if it starts charging properly. If you want to avoid this issue in the future, ensure that you regularly clean the charging port and avoid using damaged cables or chargers. Always use the original charger that came with your device to ensure compatibility. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.